My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Ford Edge. This vehicle has done just over 76,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of the steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our home screen, we can access Bluetooth, navigation, and mobile apps. On the second page, we have emergency assistance, valet mode, our vehicle settings, and ambient lighting. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our AC with heated and air-conditioned seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.